Do you want to know how you can check your invoice history or payment history on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your invoice history or payment history on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Midjourney. Now, go ahead and click on the three dots which is over here on the bottom left hand side and click Manage Subscription. Now to check your invoice, go ahead, scroll a bit down and you can see View Invoices over here under Billings and Payment. Click View Invoices. It will lead you to a separate page. You can see that your billing invoices will be shown over here. Your payment methods, your billing and shipping information, and your invoice history is over here. Now click View More and you can see all of the invoice history and all of the payments you have done. And you can also see the date, the amount, and the plan selected. So this is how you check your invoice history or payment history on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.